Welcome to our guide on how to view unread focused messages on LinkedIn using your PC, especially after the latest updates. LinkedIn has made it easier for users to manage their messages, and today, we'll walk through the steps to access those unread messages efficiently. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top menu of the page. Next, locate the messaging icon, which resembles a speech bubble. Click on this icon to open your messaging interface. This is where all your conversations are housed, and it's crucial for managing your communications effectively. Now that you have your messaging window open, you will see two main tabs, Focused and Other. For this guide, we want to focus on the Focused tab. Click on it to view messages that LinkedIn has prioritized for you based on relevance and importance. Once you're in the Focused tab, look for the option labeled Unread. Clicking on this will filter your messages to show only those that you haven't read yet. This feature is particularly useful if you receive a high volume of messages and want to ensure you don't miss anything important. As a quick recap, here are the steps we just covered. Open linkedin.com and log into your account. Click on the messaging icon in the top menu. Select the Focus tab to view prioritized messages. Click on Unread to see all unread messages. By following these steps, you can streamline your LinkedIn messaging experience and stay on top of important communications without getting overwhelmed by other messages. This new update enhances how you interact with your connections, ensuring that you can focus on what truly matters in your professional network. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you manage your LinkedIn messages more effectively. Happy networking!